In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable debug logs for any user in Salesforce, a crucial tool that can help you troubleshoot and fine-tune your Salesforce environment. Let's dive right into the process and make sure we get it all set up correctly so you can efficiently track and resolve any issues that might arise. First, you'll want to navigate to Salesforce and locate the gear icon, which is your gateway to settings. Click on this gear icon and then select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find the range of administrative options that Salesforce provides for managing and configuring your system. Once you're in the Advanced Setup menu, direct your attention to the Quick Find search box. Typing debug logs in this search box is the quickest way to find the specific option we're looking for. After entering debug logs into the search, you should see it listed in the search results. Go ahead and click on Debug Logs to proceed. Next, look for the button that says New. Clicking this is your first step towards creating a new trace flag. Trace flags are special markers that determine what level of logging you want to set for specific users or processes. At this stage, it's important to choose user as the traced entity type. This ensures that the logs will specifically track the actions of the user you are interested in. In the subsequent field labeled traced entity name, you'll need to select the exact user for whom you wish to enable debug logging. This is the person whose activities you want to monitor, so make sure you've chosen the right user from the list. Now it's time to set the time frame for collecting these logs. Specify both the start and end date and time for the debug log collection. This ensures that logging occurs during a relevant period, capturing all necessary activities without overextending the duration unnecessarily. After scheduling the duration, you need to choose the appropriate debug level for the trace flag. Salesforce offers various default levels, but you can also create a bespoke level if you need more detailed logging. This flexibility allows you to capture logging data that's as granular as your situation requires. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save button to activate the trace flag. By saving, you confirm that debug logging is now enabled for the selected user. This completes the setup, and you can now rest assured that any issues that arise will be well documented, aiding in your troubleshooting efforts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled debug logs for a specific user in Salesforce. This proactive approach will undoubtedly make your support and development activities smoother and more efficient.